Hey there, Life Coach Jelly Bean. Let me ask you a question. Are you sick of blogging all day, sliding into strangers' DMs, playing around with complicated websites, while sitting at home and hoping that magically clients are just going to show up at your front doorstep? Then this video is for you. Why? Well, probably because most life coaches have a website, and their website is a turd. Well, that's because they're doing ordinary crap, like running crappy traffic to a crappy website that has a crappy blog with a crappy offer on it. And then they just cover that turd in gold. And then they wonder why their hair is growing 50 shades of gray with the ever-ending shitstorm of rising ad costs, poor conversion rates, and an income that life coach certification schools promise them, but they've yet to see in their bank accounts. That's the quickest way to burn your life coaching business to the ground with a stick of sage. 1 star, total crap, would not recommend. Because a couple of years ago, I was no different. When we were living in a basement with no more than $20 to our name and an old computer that my grandmother had lent me, I was desperately cold calling strangers just to find new clients. But then over the past couple of years, I discovered a selling system for life coaches that changed everything.
I have 2 guests with me this time, and they are a power couple. It's Tiffany Toombs and Sydney Clevenger.
The way you guys implement and move, you and Tiffany, and you guys work together, your team, you know, it's really, really cool to watch.
I was frustrated, I was stressed, I was overwhelmed. I wanted to give up. Met Sid, and he just changed that within seconds.
Don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win. So how did I go from cold calling strangers just to find new clients to having one of the fastest growing companies for life coaches who are looking to grow their business online, and also having a wait list of new clients? Well, that's because this selling system led me to discover one of the most effective and hottest new ways for life coaches to turn complete strangers into high-paying clients like clockwork at crazy scale. And it's working better than anything else online right now. How do I know? Because it's not just me. Hundreds of people have copied and pasted my exact system to flood their businesses with as many clients as they can possibly handle. Take Paul, who used this system for his mindset coaching business and went 0 for 50 on sales calls to 2 for 2, helping him make over $4,800 for his life coaching business in under 12 days. And what about Mandy, who couldn't figure out which type of life coach she wanted to be until she followed this system for 8 months to making her well over $100K for her health and fitness life coaching business? And what about Rashana? Rashana came to me and she was a struggling life coach, not making anywhere near the amount of money she wanted or deserved, to being able to use this system to making her over $60,000 in just 5 months. And that's because what I'm going to show you in this system is responsible for generating over $1 billion for the coaching industry. That's Billy with a B, in hundreds of coaching niches all over the world. And I found that no matter what you're selling or who you're selling it to, there is a universal formula for predictably and consistently turning complete strangers into high-paying clients like clockwork for your life coaching business today. And Christmas must have come early because I've got some good news for you. I just got done detailing this simple 3-step selling system in a brand new guide called the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, and you can grab your free copy of the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now by clicking on the link below. Look, normally a training like this would cost somewhere around $97. But for a limited time, I'm just gonna give it to you for free. Simply click on the link below and it's yours free. And listen, most business trainings for life coaches suck harder than a rainy day at the beach, but mine doesn't. It's got reviews from people in every corner of the earth who have used it to get more clients for their life coaching business, and they all started by clicking the link below. But you're probably wondering, why am I handing these 6-figure trainings out like ice cream at a graduation party? Don't worry, I explain all of that and everything else in the link below. So take action now, click the link below and grab your free 100K Life Coach Launch Guide so you can start your journey to making your first or your next 100K as a life coach this year. Let's now pause for the poor suckers who haven't clicked the link yet. Come on, just do it. Maybe a crisp high five?